roasted poblano and black bean chili. Look, here's how I started. 1 small sheet tray, and I put on 4 poblano peppers, an onion, and 4 fat cloves of garlic, okay? So I'm using roasted vegetables in this. And once I cooled the charred poblanos and onions, obviously, I'm chopping them. You chop them. The poblanos I peeled and seeded once they cooled down, of course. So we're gonna take a little bit of olive oil and add our roasted vegetables, onions, and garlic, ancho and cumin, and they're gonna go in 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon. You know me, I don't measure this kind of stuff. We're cooking, we're not baking. I put in 1 little pinch of smoked cinnamon. I love cinnamon in chili sauces and even in tomato sauces from different places around the world. And I have a little bit of oregano. This is Mexican oregano, has really terrific depth of flavor to it. But the magic is the chipotle and adobo. And we need about 2 tablespoons for this dish, so I truly think it's the end of this jar. The rest of the mix, our mild chili, the cinnamon, the oregano, all of this guy that we just discussed, that's gonna go in there too because we want that to toast. Now we're gonna add about 3 cups of vegetable stock. And look what we're doing. We're picking up all of the flavor from the bottom of the pot. Now, we're going to do a little bit of sweet and sour. What do I mean by that? We're gonna take about 1/2 cup of semi-dried tomatoes, and then we're going to add 2 14-ounce or 1 28-ounce can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes, and then we're going to add sugary sweet hominy, big corn basically. And we're gonna add a couple of cans of black beans. Boom. Tons of protein, tons of flavor, tons of spices. This sucker's gonna be good. Guess what we do now? We wait. We stir this all together, just bring it to a bubble, and then turn it low and let it just gently hang out. So this is poblano chili. Again, meat-free. You're never gonna miss the meat. Piquillo peppers, roasted poblano peppers. Look at this, how gorgeous this is. And now we're going to take, on top of this, sour cream, cilantro, scallions, radishes. These are lime radishes and red radishes combined. Queso fresco or queso bianco. Fresh crumbly white cheese. And let's just get ridiculous. Fritos. Boom!